Well, I'm Jay Wolf with Wagon Hammer Ranch. I'm a third-generation producer here in the Sandhills in Nebraska. Been in the cow-calf business. We were established in 1910. We raised registered Angus and registered Charolais. Well, you would think in operating a business like this, the most important decisions would be, strategic decisions about you buying or selling cattle, or buying and selling land, or what direction you want to go with your business. Instead, the most important decisions I've made as an owner of this business have been estate planning decisions, and they have impacted our ability to maintain our operation more than anything else, and that doesn't really seem right. So it's had a big impact from the standpoint that it becomes such a focal point of planning and how you structure your business, buying life insurance, and trying to provide for and making sure that you don't get caught with a big estate tax bill. The value of the land has changed dramatically, especially the last few years. Now our income hasn't necessarily changed, but land values have, and it becomes really difficult to face a tax on something like that. It's not a cash asset, but if you've got a big estate tax on it, it's out of proportion, basically, to its earning ability, and it can be just devastating. What I spent, over $50,000 on that, just on the lawyers and the other professionals that were involved. Man, I could have hired another employee and made some great improvements on this ranch. Instead, those resources, like I said, went into estate planning. Well, it's been a wonderful industry for our family. We take a great deal of pleasure out of not just what we do every day, but the dream of being able to pass it on to future generations so they can continue and to care for this land and for these cattle.